In the library, books are arranged according to different subjects. This classification system helps people find the books quickly, easily and conveniently. Similarly, scientists put all elements into a table in a systematic way. The table is called the periodic table. As early as 200 years ago, scientists had discovered a lot of elements. The challenge at that time was finding links between different elements. Many scientists tried to organize elements in a systematic way, which led to the formation of the periodic table. The following shows the significant stages in the development of the periodic table. In 1829, Johann Dobereiner classified the elements with similar properties into groups of 3 called triads. However, the newly discovered elements could not fit into the triads. John Newlands was the person who suggested the first table of the elements. In 1864, Newlands arranged the elements into a table in order of increasing atomic mass, so that each element is similar to the element 7 places ahead of it. However, Newlands forced iron, which is a metal, into the same group as oxygen and sulfur, which are non-metals. Hence, his table was not accepted by other scientists. In 1869, Dmitry Mendeleev also arranged the elements in a table, in order of increasing atomic mass. Elements with similar properties are put in the same vertical column of the table. In addition, gaps were left in his table for elements that had not yet been discovered. This made his table more successful. His table could classify the known elements, and also be used to predict and understand the properties of the unknown elements. Mendeleev is known as the father of the periodic table. His table of elements has been modified over the years to become the modern periodic table. In the past, scientists tended to organize elements according to the masses of atoms, and their chemical properties. This is because the idea that atoms are made up of subatomic particles had not been developed. The modern periodic table lists all the known elements in a meaningful pattern. This allows us to understand the properties of elements based on their locations on the table. Elements are arranged from left to right, and top to bottom in order of increasing atomic number. The table is divided into vertical columns called groups, and horizontal rows called periods. There are a total of 8 main groups of elements. They are numbered from 1 to 7 and then 0. There are a total of 7 periods of elements. They are numbered from 1 to 7.